Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm a youth motivational speaker from Detroit, Michigan. And for this school year, I'm offering virtual assemblies. We have two options, pre-recorded or live via Zoom. We also have four main themes: bullying, diversity, positive life choices, and leadership. Whatever presentation style that you select and whatever topic you prefer, just know that each program includes interactive stories, picture slides that reinforce the presentation, inspirational videos, and of course, me doing some hip hop too. I've now spoken to over 1 million young people in 20 states, in over 1,000 schools all across this country. And I would love the opportunity to come share my heart at your school or organization too. Remember that all of us are true miracles, like the lines on each of our palms. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. And I just want to be that mirror for your students and staff to let them know how much they are loved and how much they can truly do for others on this planet by choosing kindness and by choosing peace. For more information, to book one of my programs, click the link that you'll see in the description below or check out my website, mrpeace.org. Peace.